Umuna-unay kandak man ti gundaway nga kablawang kay amin itang arabi nang nangruna kadigiti bisita tayo ken digiti imay makipagpartisipar ken makitanggay kadetoy nakapimpintas nga poetry night intay preparar tapnon lagipen ken intay sublyanan digiti na dumadumang daniw ken kanta na inpapuswan launay digiti nangaramid kadetoy digiti tang daniw. On behalf of the Maharlika Artists and Writers Federation, I would like to thank Dr. Allegra Visaya for coordinating this program to in all higher education institutions, national government agencies, both local and national. I would just allow me to give a brief background on how this poetry night was organized. In June, we approached Dr. Allegra T. Visaya and stated our intention to hold a poetry night, poetry and literature night in the celebration of the 7th Sunrise Festival, Ylocosining. The 7th Sunrise Festival, ladies and gentlemen, is the first multi-faceted arts and music festival in the Philippines. It was organized in Iloilo, and the first Sunrise Festival was held in Cebu City. The second was celebrated in Boracay. The third was in Dumaguete City. The fourth was in Baguio. The fifth was in Pampanga. The sixth was in Quezon City, and this time for the 7th Sunrise Festival, Ilocos Norte. The Maharlika Artists and Writers Federation objective is to highlight local arts and culture and display diversity in arts and culture. If you look around, the delegates of the Sunrise Festival has come from as far as Mindanao. And we have participants from Baguio City. Please raise your hand from Baguio, mga taga Baguio. Mga kasama natin galing ng National Capital Region, Cebu, Iloilo, at marami pang probinsya. And we're still expecting more participants until the 27th. The provincial government of Pangasinan will send a delegation of 50 to 60 artists and writers to celebrate with us in the celebration of Ilocos arts and culture. So without further ado, Ma'am, Dr. Allegra, thank you very much to Dr. Miriam Pascua. I know our dear President is one of the most innovative, if not the most creative and supportive President of a higher education institution promoting local arts and culture. And furthermore, why is the name of the Federation Maharlika? Based on the research that we made and based from some writings in India, it has been said that the pre-colonial name of the country is Maharlika. And we all know that the late President Ferdinand Marcos was one of the few presidents, perhaps, who knows about and recognize the importance of the name. Maharlika is a Sanskrit word, which means derivative of the word mahat, which means great, and likha, meaning creation. So the meaning of Maharlika is great. creation. So with that, as we, in the 21st century, in the contemporary era, the Filipinos are in search of identity. And I believe the only way and the only path in order for us to know and discover ourselves is through arts and music. And one of the medium of that is poetry. And I would like to read a quote from an Indian philosopher, Prabhat Ranjan Sarkar, when he wrote something about artists and writers and their role in society. The artists or writers, before holding their brush or pen, should look around and assess the direction in which society is moving and the basic causes of its weakness. It is not enough to look around. They may also have to take a firm stand against apparently irresistible forces of destruction. It is possible that nobody will come to the aid of creative writers or artists when they face such a challenge. Their small defeats may perhaps end in mute gestures, yet their efforts shall not cease. Each of their small defeats shall be strung together as pearls in the very necklace of victory. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we are victorious with this poetry evening. Thank you very much, and Diyos ti agni na una. Kada kayo.